Hi, my name is Dana, and I'm a Site Reliability Manager at Google. Site Reliability Managers at Google manage a team of engineers who take care of the infrastructure that allows Google to serve more and more customers as time goes by. So I got started as an engineer in the Israeli Defense Force. As I grew within my unit, I basically had to understand that projects are happening around me all the time. So I asked my commanding officer to be sent to a program management course. And over time, I got to do very, very big projects that had multiple units involved and multiple teams from our customer side and from my unit side. And then when I left the army, it was a very natural kind of progress for me to go into the industry and just do more of the same. So there are a lot of similarities between running projects in a place like the Israeli Defense Force and Google. A lot of the teams at Google are spread across sites and have a lot of communication that need to go to make sure that work that we're doing in one team is well coordinated with work that is going on in another team. I don't think that before, especially in the army, I had to communicate as much with people from abroad. But definitely now I find myself talking with my own team that is spread in 3 different sites, with my customers that are all over the globe. And I find myself needing to make sure that all of the things that we're doing are very well communicated to all of these different stakeholders or adjacent teams. Having the agile environment creates a lot of routines around communication. We have bi-weekly stand-ups where everybody in the team that sits in different parts of the world meet together and discuss what they've done, what they're planning on doing, and raise any blockers. So if they have any issues, they can use the resources that are right there and then to make sure that they get unblocked, that they know who is the next person to talk to, that they are able to loop in somebody who might need to review a document that they wrote up. Basically, it helps the team be more cohesive around the work that we're all doing. One of the things that I really like about Agile is that we have to communicate on an ongoing basis. We continuously validate that the work that we're doing is relevant and is going to be used by the customer that we're targeting. I love so many things about my job, but first and foremost, I like it when we solve actual problems. When I work with a team of top tier people and we together are able to come up with a solution that satisfies a user need.